In this demo, we'll see how to enable a low-code modular and RAG-based knowledge search engine using OCI Generative AI, OCI 23 AI Vector Search, and Oracle Integration Cloud. OCI 23 AI is available from the OCI console. You can provision OCI database service, go to SQL worksheet, and execute a vector chain. It will extract all the text from a document, split it by chunks, embed those using a local embedding, and store them as vectors. You can also execute a semantic search on top of that data to get the most relevant chunks for an input query using the same local embedding. You can see we get the most relevant chunks. You can go to generation in OCI Generative AI and use it to synthesize the answer of a question based on the relevant context retrieved from OCI 23 AI. You can see the response within the context provided. Now, in Oracle Integration Cloud, we created two main integration flows. One for the data loader, using OCI DB adapter to connect and extract, chunk, and embed the data, and a second one for the query engine to retrieve and semantic search, re-rank the most relevant chunks, and synthesize the answer based on those relevant contexts. If we go to WhatsApp as the document source, we upload the document to the knowledge search engine. This sends the document to Oracle Integration Cloud, and the flow is executed to extract, chunk, and embed the data from the document and store it in OCI 23 AI vector search, leveraging the vector search capabilities that we have to extract the data, chunk the data, and embed the data using a local embedding. If we go to Visual Builder as the query channel, we ask something related to the indexed document, and this sends the query to Oracle Integration Cloud, and the flow is executed to get the most relevant chunks to answer the question, re-rank the chunks to improve the relevancy of the chunks, and then send those as context for the synthesizer. Thank you.